Hi viewers, now I am going to do something different for you that's called Savory Pastry Wrap. I think you might be knowing how to do, but I am going to do with vegetables. So now we will see how we are going to do this wrap and the filling also. I have taken a pan, put a little bit of oil. I am taking tofu. When we take this tofu, what we have to do is, the thing is, first you put a little salt and water, one boil only, then strain and have it. Cut into small pieces. I have cut into small pieces today. The reason is we are making a filling. If I am making a preparation like a curry or something, I would have cut a little bigger than this. Now I have boiled once with salt. Please remember, strain and take it. There was a little water came into this. Stir fry nicely. Then only this tofu will be nice. Light brown color should come. Then only it will be nice and tasty also. Either you can use tofu, you can use any other vegetables, carrot, beans, cabbage, whatever you like you can use. Almost getting slightly brown. Finely chopped onions and a little capsicum and a little garlic. That's all? No. A little red pepper, which I had it, so I thought I'll use that also. Put all this together and stir fry. Curry leaves always, when you are putting for a filling, you have to nicely break it up and use it. Should I use oil? I'll use a little butter. Ghee or butter also. That also will be nice. I'll use that too. Boiled and chopped potatoes are there. That too I will use it. How can I say tasty? Still I have not put the seasoning in it. Now only I am going to put the seasoning. Salt, pepper, a bit of chili powder. If you want, you can put more. Turmeric, chili pieces. The filling, I want it to be a little bit of taste in it. Now I have off the cooker. Now what I will do is salad cream. A little salad cream I will put. I have off the cooker, right? When I put the salad cream, I don't want the cooker to be on. This is my filling. Tofu and done. It's nice, something different, and it's tasty also. Good, healthy, and it's good for all our family members. You know what I have really done this pastry is 250 grams flour. Then 1 tablespoon oil, salt and water. That's all. I made it half an hour ago and kept it. Easy to use when you make and keep for a while. At least half an hour if you keep, it's really good. Now what I will do is slowly take this and put it on the pan. Slightly I will have to warm this up. Keep watching what I am doing now. Once I warm it, I will slightly off this, right? Now watch again. place it back again. I put a toothpick, a large toothpick. Now I am going to roast it. Nicely I have to roast this. It has to get baked. So one side we baked it properly, and that is inner portion. Now the outer portion. Roast it nicely. It's going to be ready now. Right. Got this ready now. Now what am I going to do? Put the filling. The filling, we did the vegetable filling. So I hope you will enjoy the vegetable filling, but tasty. My filling that I have made is very nice, very tasty. So now how am I going to have this wrap? In a different way, I said. So my wrap is with the salad leaf. This is with the salad leaf. And a little bit of parsley. Salad leaf. Wrap it. Normally we wrap on the oil paper, tissue. No, we don't want all that. Thank you for watching this preparation that I have done. I hope you will enjoy, because you might have seen this but a little differently I have done. So you will enjoy preparing. One more thing I forgot. No, what is it? You might be thinking what I have forgotten, but you already know, but I understood. Cheese a little. Oh, I forgot to use the cheese. Now I will use the cheese here. So if you want only, not otherwise, you can have with the cheese. And of course this wrap is very nice. You enjoy preparing this wrap and you can have it. You know, next week with another episode, I will see you soon. Till then, bye from me now.